How to take a long page screenshot on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to take a long page screenshot on iPhone. First, open the page or content you want to take a long screenshot of, like a website or a document. Now take a screenshot by pressing the power plus volume up buttons or the power plus home button. Then, tap on the screenshot preview that appears in the bottom left corner. Now tap on Full Page from the top. This option will only appear if the page supports scrolling screenshots. After that, scroll down to see the entire captured content. Next, tap on the Share button in the top right corner. Then tap on Save to Files and select a location. Now, tap on Save to store the screenshot as a PDF. Finally, open the Files app, find the saved screenshot, and tap on it to view the long screenshot. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.